Traditionally, people use weights to strength train, using gravity as a form of resistance. There are some disadvantages to this though. 1, there's a steep learning curve. 2, there's a high potential of injuries if you do it wrong or as the weight increases. 3, the huge time commitment it takes to get results. Next Stage Fitness is not like a traditional gym because we provide a workout that is highly effective, has better results, and is accomplished in a fraction of the time. The ARX technology does not use weights. It is motor driven and provides adaptive resistance so the muscles can stay fully engaged for the entire repetition, providing a highly effective workout. Science knows that you can hold more weight than you can lift and lower more weight than you can hold. However, when people go to a traditional gym, they need to use the weight that they can lift, making it inefficient. The ARX software tracks all the data and stores it in the cloud. This allows you to compete against a previous self. We simply select the workout that you want to compete against. It tracks real time right on the screen. The red line indicates the performance during the resisting, while the black line indicates the performance during lifting. The adaptive resistance that the ARX provides gives an effective workout every time. The machine adapts to every stage of the repetition, never giving more than a person can handle, which keeps it safe. Come in and see what you can accomplish in 20 minutes. You don't even have to wear gym clothes. Come as you are. You can experience both machines during a demonstration. Book your appointment online and see how Next Stage Fitness can help you.